pussy, and I can record any fucking thing on my car. How about that? How about that, bitch? Hey, ho! Hey, ho, what you want? You want me to get that car too? You want to get that car too? Get over there and do your fucking job. Don't worry about me.
It's hard not to know when you're being erratic. You're being erratic.
Don't worry.
Crazy.
Listen.
Put your hand down. Don't put your hand by me.
Don't put your hand by me. I can put my hand in my pocket and everything.
Don't put your hand in your pocket. Don't put your hand by me.
Listen. Go back over there and do your job.
We're trying to do our job. You're over here videotaping us calling people racial slurs.
You're a tyrant. You're a tyrant. Do you know what a tyrant is? You're a fucking tyrant. You're a fucking tyrant. You're a tyrant.
Then do this. What you're saying.
You're a tyrant, bro. You're a tyrant. Come here. No. Let me ask you a question. Can I ask you a question? Get over here. You want to have a conversation? Hey, ho. Can we have a consensual conversation?
No, that got thrown out the window when you started coming up.
Exactly my point, bro. That's how we feel when you motherfuckers bring your ass up doing shit you don't want to do. You want to talk?
What do you guys say?
Why you a tyrant? Now you're a tyrant.
It's not a question I can answer.
How many, how do you pronounce your name? For real. Oh, for real. How do you pronounce it? And bro, my girl is coming down here with the laws. Okay. You have to ID yourself.
That's fine.
I'm not doing this here to goddamn it fuck with you guys. I just seen some motherfucking shit and I asked him. No, he came up.
You came on
no,
scene
you
and immediately
came
started
up.
Yelling.
You had no reason to be here.
You immediately started.
Who the fuck is you to tell me why I reason?
Me, I'm the police. This is
the police business is a matter of public interest.
You came up and said
the police business is a matter of public interest. You fuck the police business. Understand this?
Something.
No, I'm not gonna do nothing.
No, please.
I don't break the law, bro.
You don't break the law.
No, I broke the law.
No, you just stand over here.
No.
Victim.
Let me tell you.
You're
Let me tell you.
hero.
I broke the
You're
law.
a real man.
I've been in jail 9 motherfucking bits. I did 9 times in the penitentiary. 9 times.
And now you're out here looking to go get arrested again.
No.
Is that what you're saying?
I'm not gonna get arrested. Cause I can talk to you how the fuck I want to talk to you. You understand? Yeah, well, I'm gonna talk to Sarge the same fucking way. Get the fuck out of here. Get your business done and get the fuck out of here.
You gotta get. We decide where the crime scene is.
No,
right?
I decide.
You don't decide.
Do I see any tape? Where's the tape from?
Yes,
the fuck you do.
I can dictate.
You don't dictate shit.
You gotta back up.
You don't dictate shit. Okay, push me. You already pushed me.
I am. So
when I showed this Sarge this video,
so
but you put your hand
here I am telling you.
No,
now you're not moving.
I already got humbles.
I'm gonna move you.
Already, no.
You gotta move.
No, you're not gonna put your hand on me.
Hit my hand again. Watch this.
Do not put your hand on me. Do not touch me. I'm not touching. You don't tell me to back up.
Watch this. You gotta back up.
No, I don't.
You gotta back up. You gotta back up.
Do not touch me.
I'm telling you to back up.
Do not touch me.
I'm telling you to back up.
I'm talking to you. The streets, as long as I'm engaging with a public official, that's out of here.
Looking at our cars and
stop it. Am I engaging with you right now?
Yes, you are.
In the middle of the street. How the fuck you gonna tell me to back up when I'm engaging?
You don't know anything about anything.
Dude, I know about the law. I'm a 9-time felon. Bro, I guarantee you. I guarantee you.
You need to back up from us. I'm telling you.
Get your hand off of me.
Back up.
When your sergeant get here, bro.
Back up. I'm telling you back up.
Give me your badge number.
I've just told you back up. I'm telling you again.
Give me your badge.
Back up.
Dude, don't do that.
Okay, put my hand. You're going to jail.
I'm not. Why are y'all doing that? Call your sergeant. I'm not.
He's on his way.
Okay. I'm not do that. I'm not resisting.
No, it's done now. No. You brought.
I'm not resisting. Okay. All right. Now I wanna talk to the sergeant. I don't have no weapons. I'm not going nowhere. I stay down in the corner. You just mad because you got hurt.
See why we didn't want you close? You got a knife on you.
Bro,
we don't want you close.
Bro, you can have that, but I'm talking to you. This is not gonna work. Yeah, go ahead. And you better not take my money.